It's hard to beat a perfect Washington apple, but sometimes it's fun to enjoy fruit in a different way. Today I'm at the Farmers Market in Coeur d'Alene Park near downtown Spokane, where I'm visiting with Snowdrift Cider, and they love sharing the uniqueness of Washington's less popular cider apple varieties.
We're smack dab in the heart of the apple capital of the galaxy. It's really easy to take some apples and make cider.
Joseph Cox is passionate about the craft of cider making. You see, to him, the fun is in discovering new and different flavor combinations.
I think what makes cider apples unique is that you wouldn't find yourself really eating those apples. You pick an apple off the tree and it just torques your face out.
Right.
Those are the cider apples. Those would make great cider. Part of the fun's like going out, finding these lost strains and like bringing them back, finding some apple tree alongside the road that some logger threw out 100 years ago that just kind of made its own thing. And so it's just fun.
Okay, I think it's time for me to take a taste.
This is a classic bittersweet cider.
Okay, all right, well, let's give it a try.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers, man. Oh, wow. I was expecting sweet, and it's dry, it's crisp, it's bright.
Some caramel, some vanilla.
I was gonna say like oaky. I almost get like this woodsy vibe behind it. All right, next up is their best seller, the Orchard Select.
So Orchard Select is just our choice aromatic bitter sharp apples from our orchard, blended with some Wixon crab apple.
Okay.
And so it's some of our best bitter sharp apples on display here.
I'm excited. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. This definitely is a little bit more sweeter than the one I had before. But it's not too sweet. It just kind of sits in the back of your palate a little bit. It just brings a light smile to your face.
Yeah, it's a classy cider.
Yeah.
It's a glass of wine. It's apple wine.
If this is one of your best sellers, I understand why. All right, time to take the Orchard Select around and see what everybody else thinks.
This is a nice finish.
I like that acid on the back end. That's really good.
Yeah, super good.
Is this hard cider or regular?
This is
Oh, that's probably what makes it really good.
Where can you see yourself drinking a beverage like this?
In the summer at the dock at the lake.
It's a nice smooth finish. It doesn't make you pucker.
It's nice and crisp and not too sweet.
Bright. I think that's the best.
I think that's
word
the
for it.
best way to describe it, because that's actually what it says on the bottle.
Oh, isn't it?
So you nailed it. If they were giving out prizes, you'd win.
In this beautiful block of cosmic crisp apples, what is the purpose of this crabapple tree? I'll give you the answer after the break.
Coming up, I'm making zucchini papooses at the Salvadorian Bakery.
Yeah, then you did better than Anna. Open it all the way.
And we're in the kitchen at Second Harvest trying Chef Laurent's apple empanadas.
The purpose of this crabapple tree is to cross-pollinate these cosmic crisp apples. Apples in general have to have two different types of pollen to fertilize the bud, and that is the role of this crabapple.